we say goodbye to the client, what are our kind of ideas as far as empowering them?
We want you to understand and own the software that you've got. It's your data. You want to be able to live with this on a daily basis. So we're going to do everything that we can to enable you to understand how to administer this and how to use it going forward. I think we've done some like boot camp kind of trainings as well for folks.
And typically if you're doing a project with RPI, one of the things that I've always appreciated since I started with RPI is we don't do trainings in stale environments. We always do training whenever possible, obviously, with the client's live data in a test environment, but data that they're familiar with, especially when you're doing recording, because there's nothing worse than trying to learn a recording tool when you have no background on what the data is. So, we always try to do it in with their data and leave them behind and use real world examples of stuff that we built with them through the project, because that's going to be important and they're going to be supporting that when we walk away.
I think training is an important part of every implementation, just because if the tool is unknown to them, then they will not use it. And if it's not used, that we have not done our job correctly, right, as you said. So training them the tools which we use to implement their report, I think that will empower them to go and build more if they want to, or edit them if they need to. Right? So I think that is very important part of any implementation I've worked with so far. And we do provide trainings too, as a boot camps, as you mentioned. But I think while we are creating the reports for them, conversations with them to make sure that the requirements are met and also that their learning is an important part of our implementation.